has the strength of a volcano, the thirst of the soul, a voice tired of waiting without goodbyes, like a waterfall it will cross the avenues, for there are no bars to love. If in utopia you keep the desire to move forward through the fog, the voice ready to devour any conflict.